seeing some unevenness from this side to this side. It's not the length, it's the layering. It's just this stuff.
Yeah, that's what I'm also feeling. Like it feels so heavy on the bottom.
When you say on the bottom, where do you mean?
Straight flat here, and then it's so heavy on the bottom. So even when I'm shaking it out and like doing so much, it's still.
You have a good amount of hair, and it's short. So that makes it all very, very full. And you want your hair how long?
I mean, eventually I want it down my back.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is going to be part of the that you have to get through.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is I'm going to just make this look better.
Okay.
I'm going to dust up a little bit so you just have a little bit more shape and kind of knock off some of some of the stretch damage.
Yeah.
But this isn't going to be a lot. The idea is I need this to remain, especially your bottom layer here, I need this to remain super full.
Okay.
And super healthy. So you're doing a great job on that. I'll dust little ends if I need to.
Okay.
But the idea is if we start going, oh, cool, well, you're short now, so let's work that shape, you'll wind up getting a lot of shape, but it makes it less dense. And so you get, this grows faster, so you'll look stringy.
Okay.
You won't be full.
Yeah.
And I promise you, as soon as you get past those collarbones, you're going to be like, cool. Like, I don't care. Because it's going to move easier because it's got more length on it.
Okay.
So what we'll wind up doing then, the game plan, is this will get dusted. This is just, we're going to maintain this. This is where we can always mess around.
Okay.
We can always do face framing, all that kind of stuff. So this just gets longer. This can kind of stay around here and we just connect. And then you're just that long hair curly girl.
Perfect.
Good?
Yeah.
Awesome.